The switch allows you to turn your sander on and off. This switch interrupts both your sander's hot and neutral wires. After thousands of cycles, the switch will wear out, either only turning the sander on intermittently or not at all. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the right side of the rear handle. With the screws removed, now lift from the bottom of the handle first to remove it. Now I have access to the switch. The next step is to note the location of each of the wires and then go ahead and remove them. Now install the new switch. I'll reconnect each of the wires, and then I'll install the switch back into the housing. As I do this, I want to make sure that I get the wires tucked out of the way, so nothing gets pinched when I reinstall the handle. With the switch reinstalled, now I can reinstall the handle. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install the switch on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.